biggest news yesterday was the real video of a train hijacking in Pakistan's Balochistan province. Yesterday afternoon, Pakistan's Jaffar Express, which was going from Quetta to Peshawar, was attacked by terrorists from LA on the way by bombing the train and taking about 400 passengers hostage inside the train. According to Pakistani media, Pakistani security forces rescued about 150 hostages from the terrorists yesterday. According to the latest reports, heavy exchange of fire is ongoing between Pakistani security forces and terrorists. According to local media, the train also included Pakistani security forces personnel who were going home for the Eid holidays.